Welcome to Profectus.ai, the no-code platform for building trading bots on MetaTrader 5. In this video, we'll take a fast walkthrough of the Turnaround Tuesday Expert Advisor, how it works, how to test it, and how you can adjust it to fit your own trading style. This strategy is part of a 6-bot portfolio inspired by trader René Balk, and you'll find the full portfolio overview and article linked below. As always, remember, past performance is not a promise of future returns. What you'll learn here is how to understand the core logic of the bot, explore its key settings, and see step by step how to modify or rebuild it directly inside Profectus AI so you can make it your very own trading system.
Fast walkthrough of the Turnaround Tuesday Expert Advisor. I'll show you how it works, the settings, and how you should test it so it fits your style, and also how to adjust it, how to make it your very own trading bot within Profectus AI. First of all, the demo we are seeing here running in the background. The idea of this trading bot is stupidly simple, and that is also why it works. We simply watch a moving average. I run it on a 40-period daily moving average. So when price stays above the moving average, the EA does absolutely nothing. When the price actually drops below the moving average, trades appear. So every trade opens on a Monday and it is closed the latest on a Tuesday evening. So that is the Turnaround Tuesday thesis. So the big indices sometimes retrace after the weekend. They dip below the moving average of Monday, and then they bounce back on Monday into Tuesday. So if you believe that pattern still shows up, this strategy might be for you. Now let's get into the more practical stuff regarding the take profit and stop loss. They work in very simple manners. There are no stop losses, there are no take profits. The only management style of this very straightforward trading bot is simply closing all the trades after X amount. And now actually let's make it a practical example. In the builder of Profectus AI, here we see the Turnaround Tuesday trading bot in its full glory, only consisting out of 6 blocks in its purest form. And we see here, I will simply quickly walk you through the skeleton of this trading bot and then explain you how to get it yourself to run it on MetaTrader. So first of all, block number 1 simply defines, let's allow this trading bot to only run starting from 1 a.m. or actually 1:05 to be precise. And we only allow this trading bot to run between 1:05 until 10 p.m. in the evening, and to only kick off the next block on a Monday as well. So if those conditions are true, we are within this time frame and we are Monday today. This connection is being triggered because condition is true. Here nothing is connected, that is why redundant. So now the next block is a trade rule block. Simple rule is that the last candle close, so the last day, had to be lower than the exponential moving average with the period of 40. The exponential part is defined here under the moving average method. The time frame is also defined here. We made it fixed on daily. And this is also the beauty when you later on want to test variables and inputs. You can add here inputs as well, so you can actually switch the time frame very conveniently within MetaTrader. But this is a pro function on Profectus. That's why you don't need it if it's your very first trading bot. Now, if this condition is true, the next block will be triggered with this connection. We see here bearish candle, or in more technical terms, now we're looking for bearish candles. So what does it mean? The candle close needs to be lower than its candle open. Then it's a red candle we see on the charts. If it's a red candle, aka bearish candle, the next block is being triggered with this connection. So no trades open. So it is defined. Simply checks, do we have any trades open? Yes or no? So here we check. Cool. There are no trades open. It still sits at 0. So we are good to go to open a new buy position. This block is simply ensuring us that we don't open hundreds of trades per day. We simply open one trade at a time, and that is it. Now we go to the juicy part, the buy now block. You see already this trading system is only going long. So here the money management so far is set to 1 lot based on this, simply set at 1 by default. You definitely want to switch this probably to, for example, risk percentage of balance. So when you have a 10K trading account, you set it here still at 1% in that case, you only risk 100 euros for your trading account. So this is pretty neat stuff, because then you always take risk according to your funding balance pretty much. Now, as I already mentioned before, there is no stop loss, no take profit yet. So absolutely no management is happening. But now when we go to the auto close trade section, we see here it's based on relative time. What does it mean? As soon as we open actually a trade, a timer starts within the trading bot. It simply starts counting for 1 day, 21 hours, 50 minutes, and 2 seconds. The 2 seconds are very crucial, of course. Obviously joking here, but what does it mean? After this time, so roughly almost 2 days, we close the trade, the latest. And this is the whole magic of the Turnaround Tuesday trading bot. Now let's assume you don't want to change anything, but if you want to do so, you can definitely do that. For example, in the template section, you can add trailing stop to already become a little bit more sophisticated. Simply click here on Apply Template, and then the template will be applied on your charts. So you don't actually need like an idea from the get-go how to use Profectus. After a while, you definitely get a feeling for it, and then you can also dive into the blog sections. For that, I definitely recommend you to check out our Help Center articles on Profectus. It is structured just like an online course, and we currently cover level 1 and level 2 very easily in this video. So simply stick to it so you already get a rocket start yourself on this via this YouTube channel. So what we do now, we keep everything as is. We click here in the upper right corner on X5. We export the file. Then we open up the folder where you saved it. You simply copy it, and then you open MetaTrader 5. This is pretty much the requirement already in this video. If you are not sure yet, simply check out the video here in the upper right corner where we explain the whole process in how to get MetaTrader 5. Let's assume you already have it. So you copy this file that you have just downloaded on your laptop, and you simply click here in the upper left corner on File, then on Open Data Folder. You double click on MQL5, you double click on Experts, then you see I already created this folder, and you simply copy paste the file now in this folder. You can close the window. Then you have to open the navigator. If it's not open yet, you click on View, click on Navigator, so the window pops up. Then we have to scroll down a bit until we see Expert Advisor. We right click on it, click Refresh. Then the trading bot will pop up in your strategy tester window. If this window is also not open yet, you again click on View, click on Strategy Tester, and then you will see it here in the list where you saved it, Turnaround Tuesday. Then the last step, you needed to let it run on the German index DE40. So you click here on the golden $sign, and then you simply see all the assets provided by your broker. You type in DE40 as I already did, but incorrect. And then you simply double click so it becomes golden, the symbol. You click OK, and then it will also pop up here under your symbols. And then you're ready to go to visually backtest this trading bot yourself to get a feeling for it. And what you do from here pretty much is, first of all, getting an idea, a feeling of what this trading bot is doing, the trading rationale that I already explained. Very, very important, and you can't skip this part. If you feel comfortable in the mechanics of this trading bot, it is time to forward test it. So still on demo money, but now you actually apply the trading bot on your charts. How you do it? You simply open up the actual chart on MetaTrader 5 of DE40 in that case. You click on the folder Expert Advisor. You scroll down until your folder appears of the trading bot. I click here, I see cool, Pi Turnaround Tuesday, and what I simply do, I drag and drop it onto the chart. You click here, Allow Algo Trading. You say it's okay. I won't do it yet right here. Well, actually I can do it, yeah, why not? Click. You see it's now applied. We change it to the branding of Profectus AI. Then, if this little hat is not blue yet, you might need to click here on Algo Trading. So you see now it's red, and also here it's getting gray. If it's gray, you simply need to click here on Algo Trading. So this is the whole magic of how to get your first trading bot or add a new trading bot to your overall portfolio. how to adjust it within Profectus AI, how to download it from Profectus AI, and how to get it into MetaTrader 5. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers and goodbye.